Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to deactivate an application on Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to deactivate an application, here's exactly what you have to do. All you've got to do, go over to the option of settings, and you go over to system settings, and then there is application settings. Click on it, and there's this option of applications. So for now I have two applications that I can deactivate on my Hisense Smart TV. So let's say for instance Prime Video. If I want to deactivate the Prime Video application, all I need to do is just click over here. It says deactivating on this TV only. Please contact your service provider if you want to no longer to use this service. If I click OK, the application is going to be deactivated on my Hisense Smart TV. And this is how to deactivate or remove this application from Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.